What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and here's a thought that I just want to share with you all. It's been going on in my mind for a while. Have you realized how self-care and self-improvement is such an important ongoing process of our lives? It goes on throughout our lives, right? So this year, in the beginning of 2024, I made a New Year's resolution that I'm gonna work harder for self-betterment. Instead of wasting my time here and there, I will be more focused on self-care and self-improvement. And so far, I've made very, very good. Like I've done very well on that promise. One of the biggest changes I made this year was I actually started working out at the gym, and I recently even ran a 10K marathon, something that I'm very proud of. We also recently adopted a little puppy, so I've been spending a lot of time with her. I've also been reading a lot. That's been great for my mental health. So physical health, mental health wise, I've been taking a lot of care. In terms of beauty needs, in terms of beauty care, one of the biggest changes I made was for my hair care routine. If you guys remember, last year I had taken up swimming and it made my hair so frizzy. I was constantly complaining about it, but as I sit here today, do you see my hair, how gorgeous it looks? Let me just show this to you. In fact, yes guys, that is how my hair has transformed in such a short span of time. And believe it or not, it's not like I'm doing like elaborate DIYs or expensive salon treatments, none of those things. I'm actually following a very, very simple routine, and it all comes down to the products I have been using. So let me show you what I have been using of late. The L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil range, which consists of a nourishing shampoo, nourishing conditioner, and my favorite L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil serum. And as you can probably already guess, it's a very, very simple routine. I follow it at least once a week, at least. It truly gives me extraordinary care for seasoned hair. So let me show you what my routine looks like. I obviously start with the nourishing shampoo. This cleanses my hair while nourishing it deeply. From the first wash, the shampoo makes the hair 97% smoother. Following this up with the nourishing conditioner for dry hair that transforms my dry hair into soft and shiny locks. Once again, right after the first wash itself. So I shampoo and condition my hair generally 3 to 4 times a week. That's what I would recommend to you all as well, because especially if you're someone who sweats a lot, or if you're like me, if you're working out, or if you live in a very polluted area, keeping your hair and scalp clean is obviously very, very crucial. Keeping your hair conditioned is very good for you. And I follow this up with the X-Oil serum. Obviously, the X-Oil serum actually has a lot of uses. Before I get to that, let me tell you a little bit about this formulation. One of my favorite things about this formulation is how well it has been formulated. It actually contains, it is infused with 6 precious floral oils, including rose, lotus, tiar, flax, chamomile, and sunflower. It's a non-sticky, non-greasy formula. I'll just show this to you. It does not weigh the hair down, and it gives the hair instant nourishment. So 24-hour shine, 24-hour softness, and 30% stronger hair, frizz-free, tangle-free hair throughout the day in every situation. It also protects the hair very well against humidity, pollution, and even UV rays. So I feel like it's such a must-have formulation. It can do so much of good to your hair, and like I just said, it's extremely versatile. It has a lot of uses. Here are my 3 personal favorite uses. So this is something I do very regularly on damp hair right after shampoo. I'll just take a few drops, apply to the length of my hair. This makes my hair frizz-free and tangle-free like a pro. I also love using it as a heat protectant. Once again, just apply a few drops to the length of your hair. Now this gives me protection against heat up to 230 degrees. So that way I can use my hair straightener or any other heating devices with so much confidence now. Personally, I'm someone who loves straightening my hair, so this has been a very, very useful feature for me. Also, since I colored my hair, I've actually been using it to make my hair color pop out more, to make my hair color look so visible. Do you see? I'm sitting in artificial lights. It's not even sunlight, and how visible my hair color is. It's all thanks to this formulation. So once again, just take a few drops and apply to the length of your hair. So I'm applying this on dry hair, and that's it. Instantly my hair looks uplifted, gorgeous, shiny, healthy. It looks absolutely amazing, right? And of course, here's just a few examples. The possibilities are almost like, they seem endless with this formulation. There's so much you can do with it. You can use it to tame flyaways. You can use it to fix split ends. You can use it as an overnight hair treatment. You can use it for shiny hair, gorgeous hair. You can use it, you can mix it with your conditioner for that extra awesomeness. You can also use it as a DIY hair spa at home. There is so much you can do. So personally, I love using it even when I'm traveling, especially if I'm going on a beach holiday. There's so much that happens to your hair, right, when you go into the beach. I feel like it's such an absolute must-have. Personally, this range, along with the nourishing shampoo and the conditioner and the X-Oil serum, of course, it has completely transformed my hair and given me unbeatable season-ready hair transformation. My hair is protected, shiny, healthy looking, and like I just told you, with the X-Oil serum, you have an anytime hair fix. So what I'll do is I'll put the links down in the description box below if you want to have a look. And of course, if you have any questions, please share your questions in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I am personally obsessed with this range because it has helped me smoothen out my frizzy hair, make it manageable, shiny, bouncy, and so gorgeous. And my hair used to be very unruly, so if it can work for me, I feel like it can work for anyone. So check out the details, and yes, that's all for now, guys. While checking out the details, also don't be stingy with that like button. Hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.